Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Imagine the sizzle of perfectly seasoned beef liver, the aroma of fresh herbs, and the tang of lemon juice wafting through your kitchen. Today we're creating a delectable Middle Eastern dish, grilled beef liver. We'll be using key ingredients like fresh parsley, garlic, a green bell pepper, a red hot pepper, the juice of 2 lemons, a cup of water, a pinch of salt, and your favorite spices. This combination will create a dish that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Now, let's dive into the process to bring this tantalizing dish to life. Start by washing the beef liver thoroughly, then let it drain. This is an important step to ensure that your dish is clean and sanitary. Once the liver has been washed, it's time to transform it into delicious bite-sized morsels. Cut the liver into medium-sized cubes and place them in a prepared oven tray. Now it's time to introduce some fresh, vibrant flavors to our liver. Chop up a bundle of parsley, 6 cloves of garlic, a large green pepper, and a hot red pepper. These ingredients bring a beautiful medley of flavors, each one contributing to the overall taste sensation of the dish. Add these freshly chopped ingredients to the tray with the liver, spreading them evenly to ensure each piece of liver gets a good dose of these flavors. With all our main ingredients in place, it's time for the magic of seasoning. Now dust the liver and its accompaniments with salt and your choice of spices. The beauty of this dish is that it can be tailored to your palate. You might want to consider spices like cumin for its distinctive flavor, hot spices like ground black pepper or chili for a bit of a kick, or paprika for a smoky taste and a beautiful color. Thyme offers an aromatic touch while dried coriander lends a refreshing note. And of course, minced garlic gives a powerful and unique flavor to the grilled liver. Once you've added the spices, it's time to introduce some moisture to the mix. Pour a cup of water over the liver and the vegetables. This will help to keep everything juicy and tender during baking. To balance the richness of the liver and the spices, squeeze in the juice of 2 lemons. The acidity of the lemon juice will cut through the richness and add a fresh, zesty note to the dish. Now that everything is seasoned and ready, it's time to bake. Slide the tray into an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. This is the perfect temperature to cook the liver evenly without drying it out. Let it bake for about an hour, or until it's fully cooked. The liver should be tender and the vegetables nicely caramelized. Keep in mind that oven times may vary, so it's a good idea to check the liver after about 50 minutes to see how it's doing. If it needs more time, give it another 10 minutes or so. You're looking for a rich golden color and a wonderful aroma that fills your kitchen. And there we have it. A tray of deliciously grilled liver ready to be savored. Each bite is a harmony of flavors, the richness of the liver, the freshness of the parsley, the heat of the peppers, and the zesty tang of lemon. It's a dish that's sure to impress at any dining table. Enjoy! Now that we have this delectable dish, let's talk about how to serve it. Grilled liver is incredibly versatile and pairs well with a variety of sides. For a traditional Middle Eastern flair, consider serving it with fluffy rice or freshly baked bread. A crisp, refreshing salad also makes a delightful accompaniment, providing a perfect balance to the rich, savory flavors of the liver. Spicing up your grilled liver can truly transform the dish. To give your liver a distinct flavor, you might want to consider a few spice options. Cumin, for example, imparts a warm, earthy flavor that complements the liver beautifully. If you're a fan of heat, hot spices like ground black pepper or hot pepper will certainly kick things up a notch. Paprika not only adds a smoky flavor but also a beautiful color to your dish. Thyme, with its subtle, minty flavor, enhances the natural flavors of the liver, while dried coriander brings a hint of citrus and sweetness. And let's not forget minced garlic, which provides a robust, pungent flavor that truly makes the liver sing. Remember, the beauty of this dish lies in its versatility. Feel free to experiment with different combinations of these spices and adjust them according to your personal taste. Enjoy your meal. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.